Normally, I wouldn't appoint an attorney on a littering case. Show you plead not guilty.
This is a quiet but important moment. Judges almost never appoint attorneys for littering cases, unless something bigger is happening in the background. When a judge does this, it's a signal. There's more risk here than the charge name suggests.
And we'll appoint an attorney in that. All right. You don't have to come back on January 6th. I just took care of that case as well as the retail fraud. I'm appointing a lawyer on both cases, and they're set for the pretrial with an attorney on February 6th. So you need to make an appointment. She needs to get printed with your lawyer. Now, there's a lot of video evidence, and so they're going to have to get that evidence from the prosecutor and take a look.
Video evidence is the real boss in modern courtrooms. Once surveillance exists, cases stop being about stories and start being about frames, timestamps, and angles. Defense lawyers don't guess. They demand the footage.
Look at it with you and see what's what. As for the littering, I don't know anything about it, except I show you pled not guilty, and we'll set that for the same time. All right, you go to the court officer. Good morning. I see I just saw me an email that flashed before my eyes.
Yes, Judge.
You got to be in circuit court.
I have to be in 3 Rivers.
All right, well, let's see what we're doing with your case. Let's take a look at your. All right, so we will bump that back 1 week to next Tuesday, all 3 cases?
At defendant's request, yes.
Yes. All right, I'll adjourn.
This looks chaotic, but it's actually coordination. Judges juggle multiple courts, prosecutors, and calendars in real time. One email can reshuffle 3 cases and save everyone a wasted court appearance.
All 3 Douche Atelier cases to next Tuesday. I'll be here that day also, which will be December 30th. My regards to everybody in 3 Rivers.
Yes, Tim Ash says hello, Judge.
Oh, good.
So they're in town.
Merry Christmas to you. Luke's father-in-law grew up just down the street from me and was all around good guy. All right, we'll finish our arraignments. Mr. George, have you got anything else for me?
I have a quick waiver on this.
Yeah, go ahead. Abigail, have you got anything for me? Oh, which is who?
Fowler.
Oh, well, we haven't done the plea yet, but yeah, it's a big, complicated thing, but I'm glad you're here. I sent an email to everyone, but I didn't send it to you, so let me forward that email to you regarding Ms. Fowler. She has some significant health problems. You can take a look at that. All right, Charles Williams. Mr. George, go ahead and take care of your other issues. And
Okay.
oh, Miss Jones is with me. Yeah, there is no other issues. Judge P isn't here, so all right, I'll be with you in a moment. Good morning, sir. Are you Charles Ray Williams?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Williams, you got the ticket of the year, except you got it last year, 2024. Driving without insurance. That's a misdemeanor, punishable by up to a year in jail and a fine of up to.
This is the kind of traffic stop that snowballs fast. No insurance, no license, no plates. Mississippi court twice. Now you're 1 stop away from jail. This is how everyday driving issues quietly become criminal records.
Not less than $200 and not more than $500. You're driving also with no valid operator's license, which is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 90 days in jail and a fine of up to $100, and no valid license plates. These things all kind of go together. This ticket was in June of 2024, and you promptly failed to appear for your arraignment twice, May 9th and May 22nd. Then they did a warrant for your arrest, and you called or something, and they scheduled it for this morning. So I'm going to recall all the warrants. What's your circumstance now? Do you have a valid license?
No, sir. I quit driving after that.
What happened to the car?
My sister and them took it over. I signed the title over to them.
All right, these are some ordinance and some state statute. Mr. George, two of these, the valid operator's license and registration plate, are ordinance cases, and the insurance charge is a state statute case. See if he owes me any money. He has a 2022 no proof of registration where he still owes $60 on that.
He entered a plea to Mr. George's charge of plea, just to miss ours.
All right, thank you, Mr. Robert. So very helpful to have the prosecutor here. Mr. Williams, the city attorney, is here on behalf of the three Rivers cases, and the county prosecutor, Chief Assistant Josh Robert, is here on the state case. He's willing to dismiss the big case, the minimum $200 fine plus costs, which will be $325.
This is a textbook plea deal. The prosecutor drops the most serious charge, insurance, in exchange for pleas on the lesser ones. Jail disappears, fines stay manageable, and the system moves forward. This is how most criminal cases actually end.
And a 1-year misdemeanor if you plead to having no valid operator's license and having an improper registration. Those are both misdemeanors, punishable by up to 90 days in jail or $100 fine plus costs. If you plead to those charges, I'm going to give you time to pay it. Have you pay that and your old existing leftover fine from 2023? Are you willing to plead to having no valid operator's license and improper plate if the prosecutor dismisses the no insurance charge?
Yes, sir.
Other than that, did anybody promise you anything
No, sir.
or threaten you?
No, sir.
And you signed the advice of rights acknowledging that you're giving those rights up. There won't be a trial. Do you remember where you were going that day?
I was headed home, sir.
Home from where?
I was at the Speedway gas station in Sturgis.
All right. And you didn't have a valid driver's license?
No, sir.
And the plates weren't correct?
Right.
All right. These will be under Sturgis ordinance. Did you end up going to jail for not appearing, or you simply called and scheduled for today?
I had found out about the warrants and called in.
I'll recall the warrants. 525. In that one, I'm going to order a $75 fine, $75 crime victims' rights fee, and $50 state minimum fee. That's $200, and I'll put you on a payment plan. Plus your unpaid ticket. $22139901113A. I don't know why those have such long numbers. And on the improper plate, I'm going to find you. Oops. Oh. Laura, I'm out of general judgments. Guess I've been going through a lot of them. So you owe $250 plus $60 for the old ticket. So you owe a total of $310. I want you to pay all that off. I said my goal is to have everybody pay off all their fines by the time I retire next year. So that's only like $12 million. We'll see if we can collect it all. Yours is only $60. It looks like it's some of it got paid, some of it didn't. So this no ops is going to go on your driving record. It will carry 2 points. I want you to go with the court officer. She'll take you out to the counter, and the ladies will set you up on a payment plan. And you should be good to go.
I was actually going to pay before I leave. I'm actually going to pay before I leave.
All right, very good. Oh, wait a minute. This goes with that also. Now, I've got a couple more cases. Yes?
Because that was dismissed, because you don't.
No, he doesn't know. Off. Clara Halsey, formerly Clara Vanderwall. Good morning.
Good morning.
Let's take a look at your case. You got charged with trespass, so we've got literally dozens and dozens of those charged in the last couple of years. They give you a ticket on April 18th. That you were at 609 Sturgis Avenue. Subject has been trespassed from the property, meaning the police told you not to come, and you came back. Under Sturgis ordinance, the way this is charged, it's a misdemeanor. It's punishable by up to 90 days in jail.
Trespass sounds minor until you hear misdemeanor and 90 days in jail. These cases pile up fast, especially around businesses and repeat locations. The punishment isn't about where you were, it's about ignoring a lawful warning.
And a fine of up to $100. This happened in 2024. Let's see here. You didn't show up. You posted a bond, $100. Somebody posted it for you. How long were you in jail before you posted the bond?
I didn't go to jail, sir.
Just posted the bond?
Yes, sir.
All right, well, how do you plead to this old trespass?
Guilty.
Your Honor,